Okay. Hey. My seven, my seven, my seven. I'm dipping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
So, first thing you want to do is take the information to your local parts store. Year, make, model, engine size is really not gonna matter about the wiper blades, although you will have some guys that will ask you that. I mean, just play nice, tell them what they need to know. They can try to help you get what you need, because you don't know. If you knew, you wouldn't be asking the guy at the counter. So, after you've identified the wiper blades that you need, so many types and kinds. These here are the Bosch Pure Visions, all weather performance, quick and easy installation. Let me show you exactly how quick and easy it can be. All right, so when you open your wiper blade, if you get the Bosch Pure Vision, it has this ancient relic. This ancient relic is called installation instructions, right? So here's what you want to do is identify the wiper arm and the required adapter. And if you look through here, it's going to show you if you have a hook, if you have a pin, like no matter what type that you have. And then it's going to give you the instructions on how to install it. But because people don't like to read, I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys. So we already know that we have a hook type connector on the Ram, primarily because I know this because I've already changed my wiper blades before, but it's been about a year. You typically want to replace these every 6 months to a year, but you know, who's counting? So it's just easily, so I can do it with one hand, I think. Hold on. No, I can't. All right, so that's gonna slide off. Now, once you have your wiper blade off your vehicle, you see the other ones I use was Bosch. I like Bosch. You'll identify that you have a hook type wiper blade connector. Now, that wiper blade connector, we can go back to our instruction installations. Here, and it will show you the hook type, what you need to do. So we're basically going to hook it on and close the lid. If you have different types, require different kinds of adapters. It's like 4 different ones on the front here. And then it's an additional like 4 different styles. So first you have to identify the style that you have and then just follow the instructions or put the needed adapter onto the blade that you need. Now I'm gonna just show for example, if you needed to change your, let's say that we needed a different adapter. So as you can see, these are numbered to correspond with the actual attachments that you need. But like I said, in the event that you did, all you have to do with D is to pop this off, and I'm gonna pop this off for y'all here in real time. All right, so in the event that you would have to replace one of these, you basically would just pull it off like that. It's that simple. Don't be scared. Just get in there, pull it off. Then you get the correct, say this is like number 3. You get the one that you need. Fit it on the rail, and you're gonna snap it on. Boom, just like that. And And then the connector is changed for the blade that you need. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this off. See, just pop it off. And then I'm gonna put it back to the original one that I need for my truck. Boom, just like that, and you're ready to go. All right, so now that we've gotten all that out the way, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and install the blades on my truck. For this hook style, like I say, you just slip it over. It's gonna click, close the top, click, and you're done.